Hello, welcome. Episode 53 of the tutorial on trigonometry. This is the episode number 2 of angle of elevation and depression. The just ended episode, we delve into the concept of angle of elevation and depression. The key ideas we carry away from there is that angle of elevation is formed on top of a horizontal line and the depression is below a horizontal line. Second is to make a sketch. Anytime a question of this nature is given, make a sketch to represent the scenario in the question. Then apply the concept of trigonometry. So let's see. A vertical pole, which is AB, is erected on a level ground. I think let's be taking it as we are moving. So if we are having a pole, there's going to be a ground. So let's see, we indicate the ground. Then the pole is also indicated, forming an angle of 90 with the ground. So this is A, B, I think so. So a vertical pole AB is erected on a level ground. A man, which is 1.7 meters tall, stand at C, which is 24 meters away from the foot. So it means here is the B and here is what? The A. Let's say the C is here as the man. What is the height of the man? The man is also 1.7 meters tall. So let's indicate that here. So that is the man. All right. From the foot B of the angle of elevation of the top, which is A. So the top of the pole A, from where the man is 54 degrees. Remember, angle of elevation is formed above a horizontal line. So let's see, when a man stand here, he should have an eye level. He should have an eye level. So that eye level will form a horizontal line. So the eye will now be raised in a certain angle to find what the top of the pole will be. Good. So that angle is what we have been given as 54 degrees. So I can indicate here as my 54 degrees. Then the height of the man is 1.7 meters. This diagram forms a rectangle. So here will also be 1.7 meters. So A, B, C, let's say D. Let's indicate here as D, then put here as what? E. This will also be a right angle. So what do we need? We can say that the man is 24 meters away from the base. This is a rectangle. So if 24 is here, this line DE will also be 24. Then we need here, what are we looking for? Calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the pole, which is AB. Already BE is known. So we only need the AE, which we can indicate by a variable, let's say X. Alright, so picking only the top, I can say that from triangle DEA, I think this represents acronym in USA, some police department DA, right? So what are we going to look at? We are looking for the X, which is the side opposite the angle. So that is the opposite side. The side perpendicular to the opposite is the adjacent. So I'll be having opposite adjacent. That is tan. So I only say that the tan of the angle 54 degrees equals to the opposite side over the adjacent 24. What is next? You cross multiply. So X will be equals to 24 times the tan of what? 54 degrees. And we can find that on our calculator as that should be giving us something as 33.033. And that will be in meters if I'm going 3 decimal places. But we are looking for the height. So the height of AB is equals to the length of, let me just say, is that the length, right? The length of BE plus the length of what? EA, right? So if that's the case, I know the BE as 1.7. I just found this as 33.033. When you add that, it should be 34.7 somewhere, but let's see. That will give you 34.733, which is approximated to be 34.7 meters. We are leaving the answer in what? 1 decimal places. So this is 3 decimal places, 1 decimal places. So 34.7 meters will be the height of the pole. I guess applying the concept of trigonometry, you are able to understand what this will be. The important aspect or the difficult aspect of this question is drawing a diagram. The moment a diagram is drawn, almost 70 or 80% of the job is done if you understand trigonometry, the ratios that we have done. All right, like, share, comment, and subscribe.